Good morning. It's Ward. How you doing? I uh, I haven't been sticking to my plan of making a video every day, much less twice a day, morning and afternoon. But yeah, I woke up to the news that Kimmel, Jimmy Kimmel's show has been pulled. Uh, this following Colbert being canceled, um, and it's deeply troubling that in a democracy, in a free country, that the comedians are being canceled. Um, I've always thought of comedians as the canaries in the coal mine, and they have been chirping quite actively because there's so much going on that is simply, well, it's un American. We need comedians, we need court jesters, we need people brave enough to speak the truth, make us laugh, and I'm just very deeply disturbed by this. Besides, Kimmel and Colbert, I've watched for years, and my wife and I, we love Colbert. You know, he's sort of like a brother to her, being from the James Island area. Um, that's where she grew up. And then Kimmel, I think my son turned me on to Kimmel. He's so sharp. Um, one of my personal favorites. You know, I like those both of those guys, but Seth Meyers. I'm wondering what he has to say about this, and will they be going after him next? You know, this is this is bad. This is real bad. So stay tuned. Good morning. It's Ward. How you doing?